me restart that intro. That wasn't confident. Hey, hello everybody, it is Jack here. Actually, one of my little cakes. And today, yesterday, Riley got an Xbox for his birthday. But it's technically both of our Xboxes. And Riley also got 2 games. This game, The Incredibles.
And also my games. I'm just kidding.
And I don't know what The Incredibles. And
I'm playing my game first.
And I don't know what The Avengers is. But they're both Lego.
I know what Avengers is.
And this is my game, Hello Neighbor. I promise.
The Avengers is.
I promise we will do gaming
Oh
videos.
no, Jack, what did you do?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, it's in here.
And I promise we will do videos on this because I know a lot of you love Hello Neighbor. So yeah. But
I'm playing my game first.
So
it's my birthday.
Wait, we're not doing a gaming video. That we already did a game that Riley has an Xbox and it already came with a controller, and we don't have 2. We don't have 2 controllers. So guess what? This is Riley's controller. This is my controller. They're both the same, but anyways, we've got an Xbox One. So yeah, we're gonna do an unboxing on this controller. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm opening it.
I wanted that to be mine, but since it already came with one, I should put my wallet in my safe spot.
Hopefully put your wallets in your safe places.
I did.
Okay.
I think. How do I open this? How do I open this? This is so hard.
Well, your wallets will fill up big time.
Okay.
They gave you $40. That's pretty nice.
I'm gonna get like $200.
Oh, there's a sticky thing. There's a tape thingy. Yeah, this is the Avengers game.
It's pretty cool. It's Avengers 2. The new Avengers. The new Avengers movie. It has Ant-Man with it. I'm gonna play big time with Ant-Man.
So. Should I do it? No, I do it. I'll do it. Do you need scissors? No. You know what? You can give me some scissors, I guess.
Dad, we need some scissors. Oh, here they are, Jack. Never mind.
You don't cut yourself.
Oh, Jack's doing it.
I cut myself like last week with scissors.
To go really in there, Jack. You don't want to cut the box because that's your. No, there's spots in there. Now we have 3 controllers.
No.
Yeah,
We only have 2.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Those are the Xbox 360 controllers.
Yeah, but still, that counts too because it's still an Xbox. Now it's easy. Now you just have to. Now you can do it.
Here we go. It's kind of ripped.
And you
It's
need
not,
to
it's-
here.
Yeah, I know.
Ow!
Kids,
You have to get down there.
kids.
You have to
Never-
get down there like
I
this.
know, I know.
Wait, can I show you
No,
something?
I'm ready.
Like this.
I know.
Like stab it. Like if
I
you're
don't.
like if you're like
I don't want
killing
to damage
somebody.
the box though.
If you're like killing somebody. Did I go too far? I think I went too far. Did I go too far?
Yeah, you went a lot too far.
Okay. That seems about it. That seems about now you can grab it and then now You have to go You have to go right in there, deep in there, Jack.
Do you need help?
No, it's done. Okay.
The job is done, Mama.
Now the Slovenia. Slovenia. Slovenia in a way to do. All this is an Xbox controller,
Okay, I heard you say it.
and it comes with 2 batteries, and it comes with a setup thing.
Okay.
Oh, and it comes with another Xbox Game Pass, which
Can I see?
I didn't.
Oh, it comes with this too.
Is that?
Oh, what's this?
Okay.
I already have it. That came with mine. And guys, this is the big box that it came with. You want to see the big box that it came with?
Most people have Xboxes now. Where's the scissors? I need the scissors.
They're in there. You can go get them. Okay, here's the cool
Yeah.
box.
Bring this in there and put it on the
Here's
table.
the cool
Yes.
box, guys.
Jack, bye. There's a bunch of baloney, no more. Finish that.
Okay, Jack, I showed them the box.
Okay, I'm scared.
Put it on the table.
I don't want to damage the batteries, because you actually need the batteries.
Yeah, because you have to put the batteries in.
Comes with another Xbox Game Pass.
Oh yeah. This is supposed to help you. You see? Just turn there. Like that. Like mine.
But these are Duracell batteries. Now, which one is plus? This is plus. Which one is plus? Plus. Plus.
Hey Mom.
What now?
Nothing. Nothing fine.
Oh, hi. Sorry. I'm a little so busy.
Okay.
I have to clean everything so 2 inches for your tongue.
Okay. I guess I.
Oh, Jack, what did you do?
The freaking battery went under. Okay, the battery went under.
No big deal, Jack.
No, I got
That cabinet up there, it's full of batteries.
But it comes with batteries.
Yeah.
I just want this.
You're like a madman.
Yeah, I know. I'm like,
Oh, no.
No, it's right there.
there it is.
So quickly put it back before I'm off.
0. No.
Okay. Guys,
Wait, guys, do you want to see my card I got for my birthday? Confident.
Danfro.
It said happy birthday to Riley.
No, it says happy birthday to you. See? Batteries now hooked up. blinking.
Jack, you have to turn it off because I'm doing mine first.
Wait, anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like it, give it a big fat thumbs up. And remember to never give a thumbs down. Remember to hit that subscribe button for a gaming video. And I'll see you next time. Bye, my little cakes.